any academic class, and I gave a slide presentation, pre-PowerPoint. Things change, especially for young people your generation. It's like stuff's changing all the time in terms of communication. I don't even have a cell phone yet. I'm really out of the loop here. And he told me his parents were from Haifa, and then I saw him once after that. A few years later, we had both gone to an international conference on the Holocaust and education at Israel's Holocaust Memorial called Yad Vashem in Jerusalem. And then that was in June of 2006. Danny told me that he had several photographs that his mother had. His mother was Croatian Jewish. This is like way far from Poland, like Southern Europe. And he mailed me these photographs. And that was like, this was summer of 2006. And I photocopied and enlarged one of them, which is here. This is his mother with the long braids. She's the one who survived, lived in Haifa, died a few years ago. And that's his mother's sister, who was Danny's aunt that he didn't know. Danny was born in 1949. Aunt Amira was murdered, I believe it was in 1942. So I photocopied and enlarged this, and you'll notice Danny's mother's hands on Mira's waist. Everybody see that? And then when I did the drawing, can everyone see? You can come squeeze in closer here, don't be shy. There's the Mira's sister's hands. What's the first thing that, I get comments on this all the time, or asked a question. What question do I get asked about this?